Hey guys, welcome back to Master Bishan online course, the online tutorial video to teach you how to print on bottle by Focus Alpha UV printer. So Focus will provide the Rotary print device for marker. But this device print on any bottles that with the diameter more than 17 centimeter to print with Focus Alpha UV printer. So before you install the Rotary print device on Focus UV printer, you need to prepare the screwdriver and the Rotary print device, and also the connection for 4 pieces totally, and also the varnish print head protection film. So why we need to use this kind of rubber film? Because for print on the bottle, the print head, we have 3 print head for Epson, for Focus Alpha UV printer, 3 print head totally, wet color and varnish. If we print a bottle, because the top point, the line's top point of the bottle is just a little bit certain distance. So, but the print head, the width is bigger than the curing surface. So we need to remove the varnish print head printing. But for convenience printing, we this kind of film to protect print head, to prevent the varnish print head during bottle printing. Because if you do not protect the varnish print head, so the UV lamp that from the 2 UV lamps will be affect the print head for varnish print head to get print head, the varnish print head get clogged. So we need to use film to protect the varnish. So print a bottle. The first we need to power on the machine. First step is power on the machine, and we choose to this way. We choose to move the flatbed down to get enough space for install the Rotary print device. Okay, almost enough space. Then we stop it, and we open the cover. And also we need to move the carriage to check the gap. So we move to left for carriage. Okay, then we can start. We can first install this kind of protection film on the print head varnish to protect print head back screws. First we open the carriage cover, and we can find out that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, and we loosen this screw. Then we find the film, and there's the hole here. We put it inside. Then we install back this way. fasten it where. Then we go to the left side. We can also see there are 1, 2 screws. We loosen it, and we push the film. Then we loosen. Then we lock back. And also here. Okay, look like this. To be sure the printing head surface will get surrounded without effect by the UV lamp. By this way. So be sure the film was installed by this way. The left 2 screw locked and the right 2 screw locked. And when we see the bottom print head, we can see the varnish print head. This print head get protected by the film to protect the varnish print head not affected by the UV lamp over here to get a clog. But we must keep the white and varnish print head no cover. Be sure it have enough space for wet and varnish, otherwise the print will no ink coming out. Okay, so first we find out the short one, the steel pole to insert at the front left side and front right side. And also back side left. Be careful of this triangle by down position. Okay, then we take out. We take this lower to on the top of the. We can see there each aluminum angle have the hole here and here, here and here. So we put by this way. The short way from here to here is 111 millimeter. Then you can also adjust the position by the screw here, 1, 2 screw at both sides. But must be sure the distance at the left must be same as at the right. After that, we put by this way, put it inside, and we put on the hole. And push down. Okay, that finish easier. So after you put, we can move the table forward, backward to check if it's low, it's moving or not. And also we can put a bottle to test it. We take a blanket bottle, put on the middle, and we move the table front, backward to check it's moving or not. If it is moving, and also the left to right side, say distance, not like this or like this, so must be pushed down for angle. That means the Rotary printing device install finish.